Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Amagansett in the Hamptons, and I'm doing existing condition drawings of this house, and down there at the end of the driveway, that's a guest house. So on this project, I'm doing exterior elevation drawings. I'm doing, I'm doing floor plan drawings. I'm doing electrical plans. I'm doing some cross sections. I'm doing interior elevations, and I think that's it. So just show you around a little bit. This is, this is an old, well, it's an old house because it has the large plank floors, and it's got the really steep staircases, which they used to do back in the day. So the house kind of goes around. This is the kitchen, eating area. This goes down to some bedrooms and bathrooms. Down here is it's kind of the great room, and there's the master bed off that. And yeah, so this is what I'm working on today. Show you the backyard. I figured I would show you around a little bit. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it's in the Hamptons or in the city, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. This is the backyard, this is the pool, and then that's the guest house. You can see it's like a long, well, it's a long house, like a railroad style. So yes, once again, thank you for viewing my video, and please give me a ring anytime if you need existing condition drawings, and have a fantastic day.